Good morning, guys. I had a pretty good day. I made around 2% of my total account this morning. I'm proud of myself because the market was so choppy this morning. I was expecting good behavior from the market because we had pretty good volume and pretty good stocks in the pre-market gappers watch list, but we did not get any good moves from the market. If you look at AMD, CVS for the first 30 minutes, they were like a complete chop. Yesterday, I had a break-even day because CMEC decided to roll out an update on Tuesday that messed up my hotkeys, so I got chopped up pretty bad on AMD. I recovered the loss eventually, but it was a break-even day for me. And so, coming to my trades today, I saw that AMD sold off for the first 2 minutes. I went short just below this pre-market low with a stop loss above VWAP. I got around 15 cents, then it squeezed up quickly. That's why I got stopped out at break even. So AMD was choppy for the first 15-20 minutes. This is kind of a scalp for me because there's no clear pattern. It did not follow any pattern for the first 20 minutes. So I don't blame myself for this because I was hoping for AMD to go lower, but it never did. So I got stopped out at break even. My next trade was on Dal. So Dal was a good trade. I'm proud of this. So Dal made an ABCD pattern on the 1 minute chart, and we had these two levels that it was holding. So this is the pre-market low and this is the daily level, and it failed to break these levels twice. So I was like, if it breaks these levels, it will go above VWAP, but if it did not, it will go short. I will go short. So I went short here with a stop loss above these levels. It was not VWAP, my stop loss, because if the stock goes above these levels, it will have the juice to crack the VWAP as well. That's why I went short here and with the stop loss above this daily level. So I got around 1.5 to 1, 2 to 1, then maybe 3 to 1. Then I did not like the fact that it tested this daily level maybe 5 times, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's why I got stopped out completely with a small profit again. Overall, it was a good green trade, but not that clean. My other trades were on MU. So MU was a very nice short. My first trade on MU I got stopped out, so I decided to take an ABCD pattern on the 1 minute chart, which was also coinciding with an ABCD on the 5 minutes. So I decided to go long, but I got stopped out because this 5 minute candlestick made a new low, so I got stopped out. Then after stopping out, I saw that this is a huge bearish engulfing candlestick. And in my mind, I was like, if it goes below VWAP, I'm taking it short. So it went below VWAP. I took it short with a stop loss above VWAP, and my target was the previous day, the pre-market low and the previous day close. So I took around 10% off here and 25% off here, 10% off again here. I had a limit order set to get completely out at the previous day close, but it never touched my limit order. Then I also saw this 5 minute kind of a hammer and I got out completely. I would have stopped out eventually because it tested the VWAP. So I saw the price action level 2 was bullish, so I got stopped out. And my last trade was on CVS. CVS was a complete chop. For the first 40 minutes, it was a complete chop. Then it found a direction, it's heading lower. But for the first 30 minutes, it's untradeable. I'm lucky to get some profit out of it. CVS gapped up maybe around, not sure, around 8-9% in the pre-market. So after this bearish candlestick, I was thinking of going short, but because of the size of the gap up in the pre-market, I did not go short on CVS. So I saw that CVS was below VWAP only for 3-4 minutes. Then it squeezed up with a huge bullish candlestick. I could have entered here, but I wanted a confirmation because it may have been a false VWAP breakout. So I wanted a confirmation, and this candlestick was a confirmation for me that it's holding VWAP. I went long with the target of this high and the pre-market high. but I did not see any clear signals on the level 2. Plus, the 5 minute was choppy. So the 5 minutes was doji, so it was choppy. That's why I got stopped out at break even. And thankfully, I did. I don't have any FOMO on the stock because this is chop. So this is just gambling. These were my trades for the day. So if you have any questions, leave a comment down below and have a good day. Keep it green.